Good morning, you guys. It's DK Nay, and Vlogmas is officially over. It's still December, but Vlogmas is over. Ashley's hiding over here.
Oh, when I cut my hair, you can do like a little.
Examination.
Okay, that's not what I meant, but.
I know, but still.
Bye.
So, guys, we got some new people for the vlog. This is.
I've already
Ash-
actually been in one of yours,
Oh,
but
you
I
ha-
was just like in the background. I went and watched it because I noticed that I was gonna look like shit in it, so I just went and watched it.
Well, that happened, and then this happened. She said she woke up late. Don't she look good? Don't she look good? Talking about she woke up late. Did her hair, did her eyelashes, did her makeup. Talking about she woke up late. My ass. When I wake up late, boo boo, I just go take a shower real quick. Don't put no makeup on. I don't wear makeup. I'm playing, but still, she doing too much. Talking about she just woke up my ass.
I did. I woke up at 9 and I have to leave at 9:40. I left at 9:45.
She said, "Bitch, what?
Yeah.
Bitch, where?"
Look at me. Look at this. Look at me. This is me. This is what it looks like when you didn't. This messy. This actually not that bad.
I'm getting a dog tomorrow.
Wait, I thought you got it.
No, it's tomorrow.
But
He still has to get neutered.
It's really cute.
So you're getting a dog tomorrow, and I'm getting a car tomorrow.
I
you're
win.
getting a car.
I win.
Yeah.
That's true. He wins. I'm sorry.
No.
It's okay. Dogs are.
Dogs are better.
Hey, first of all, what kind of dog are you getting?
It's a lot, mostly, but
Looks like a beak.
it looks like a pig.
Really? Little baby, or
It's like 2 months.
are you gonna bring it to work?
I'll show
No.
you.
Now with all the kids and the germs and the
Are you? What kind of
diseases.
car are you getting?
I'm getting a 2017 Toyota Corolla S 50th anniversary car.
Look at
Wow.
So his
Oh my
car
God,
doesn't
it's
exist.
adorable.
It does exist. Shut up, witch.
2017.
Shut up.
But you
You're
look so
extra.
manly.
I am very man.
Wait.
it. Wait, I don't know if she wants her Instagram on the internet. Okay, wait, hold on, time out.
Crazy clothes though.
You see the dog?
So
Oh,
cute.
it's so cute. You're on YouTube now, so is Heather. So I hope she's fine with it.
Oh well.
I need to sign a waiver.
Boo, not on my vlog. I don't got that many people, and I don't make that much money from it. So no, boo boo.
I demand a percentage.
Boy, please,
I'm like,
you
I'm
wish.
like your main person. I deserve some money.
You and Kim, I'm dead. I swear. Speaking of vlog, let me go post a vlog from yesterday. Good morning, you guys. It's DK Nay. What's up? And guess what? I just got a new car yesterday. So now I am going to be rocking a 2017 Toyota Corolla SE 50th anniversary. I'm really excited. I got this car yesterday. It took about if I ever say 8 hours. It took about 4.5, 5 hours to get this car. And I'm about to be broke as a joke now because, you know, I'm paying a lot for this car, plus my insurance bill, plus everything else that I haven't done in my life. So I'm gonna need to make some money, but let's clean up this car because I kind of put everything in there last night. I need to take some stuff out the trunk and put it in the front, take some stuff throw it away. Other than that, I'm gonna be set. I'm also off to work right now for like an hour and a half for a, what are we doing today? It's, let's see. What are we doing for real though? Oh, it's a training. We're doing a training today for like the general stuff that we need to know at Chuck E. Cheese. So, as you guys can tell, my hair is growing out. I'm gonna try to let it grow as much as Stanley's. If you guys seen him on the vlog, he has like the big afro. So I'm gonna let it grow like that much. Alright, see you guys there. Made it to work, and all the features on my car actually do work. That's pretty cool. Hi guys. We have Jessie. Still looking good with no makeup.
Oh my God.
Still looking good with no
I
makeup.
look like a mess.
Girl, you look good. And then we got over here. How do you pronounce your name correctly? Because I want to say the wrong name.
Ash,
Lynn?
Lynn.
Ash Ellen?
Ashlyn.
But like faster.
Ashlyn?
Yeah, there you
Okay.
go.
And then we got Mariah over here as well. Hey. Girl.
What?
I love my car.
Oh yeah,
I got it. I love it.
Dude, my mom got a 2015 Dodge Dart yesterday too.
I wanted to.
Just
Well, okay.
happened.
Okay, so when I went to go get it, literally it took forever because the people were like, well, the dealer that we go through,
Yeah.
he was dealing with this other person, so this new guy was helping the other guy out. And he ended up doing some stuff wrong, so my dealer had to go help him out. So they're 2 at once. So it took like 4 to 5 hours to get the car.
Where's that? I want to see it.
Huh? Like what?
Your car.
Oh.
I'm tired
Ah!
and I'm hungry.
Boo-boo, let's go somewhere after this because I'm hungry too. Yes, we are. We are the #1 crowd, guys.
Or do I not want to see it?
Well, I'm gonna sit by her.
Why you haven't asked me who he is then?
Okay, first things first,
Look at
checking for
Guys, it has been a long day. I am in the Chucky closet. It's been busy all day long ever since we opened. We opened at 11 o'clock and it was busy automatically. It's almost 6 o'clock and I'm still here. Why is it be so busy at Chuck E. Cheese? You need to go home, go do your homework for summer break. But winter break, go do your homework, go do something. Don't come to Chuck E. Cheese. Just kidding. Always come to Chuck E. Cheese because you know we love our jobs. Well, I know I love my job. I don't know about other people's, but you know, yeah.
Hey, it's me. I got my hair cut. Okay, this is Riley. You're gonna be on YouTube. Hi. Today is my day off. So it was yesterday, but I brought her here. We all eat for some food, and then we're gonna go home and eat more food later. So, anyways, Nishan probably sucked at vlogging today, so I thought I'd vlog. So you're welcome, boo. Okay, I'm bored now.
Alright, guys, we're taking a selfie.
Wait, I have a double chin all the time.
Omar, get the fucking picture.
I'm like never not fat anymore. Like before, it was like if I held my head.
Alright, guys, I'm back with all my fucking high school friends. Like, this is
Do
amazing.
you actually do this?
Yeah, actually.
I look pregnant.
Girl, I have.
Go back there.
Wait!
This is my vlog channel. I literally vlog on YouTube now.
Like, do people follow you?
I have almost 800 subscribers.
Well, in that case,
No way.
this is
Hey,
all real.
yes, bitch! Yes! I'm
It's all
dead.
real.
Yeah, I forgot I vlog.
You want to
Yeah.
touch it?
Let's
Feels better than ever. Not you.
Oh my god, it's gotten better. It has gotten better.
Yeah, that's right. I got.
I actually-
My butt didn't. No, seriously, it's the only thing I've ever worked on in my life. I didn't even finish college.
It's okay, I didn't start.
You have it way worse than I do. Your hair's colored watermelon. Go, just go. I'm like cat off of fucking Victoria's. It's not watermelon.
Bitch, yes, how was it?
It's like the perfect amount.
It's actually not bad. I knew.
Bitch! Don't post this anywhere.
It's
My
not
boyfriend can't know
You
I'm
can post
drinking.
it.
It's gonna be on my YouTube channel.
You can put it on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I will,
You can keep it in there.
My butt's real.
We'll leave it.
You look at me. Get the camera away.
Girl, you look good.
Continue to look at me.
Oh, you're so fake. I'm dead. We need to go downstairs. Hold on.
Okay, go there.